Good morning, students. St. Elizabeth School, Anjar. Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter 2, Linear Equation in One Variable. Topics to be covered in this chapter: first, introduction. Second, linear equation in one variable. Third, solving linear equation with number on one side. Fourth, solving linear equation with variable on both sides. Fifth, solving linear equation with reducible to linear equation. And last, application of linear equation. Now, first topic is introduction. What is linear equation? So watch this video and clear the concept about linear equation.
Look at this problem. 3 is added to a number gives us 10. Find that number. We know it's 7. That's not the reason why asked to this question. I want to know how can we represent this problem in a simpler way. We can probably say x plus 3 equal to 10. Find x. 3 is added to a number to get 10, which is to assign as variable to that number. This is called an equation, and it's help to write large problem like this in a shorter way. This equation has one variable, which is x, and it says unknown, and the highest power of x is 1. The kind of equation are called the linear equation in one variable. There is also referred to as first degree equation in one variable. They are called linear of first degree because the highest degree of the variable is 1. We will have a deep understanding of why such equation called linear in the coming videos. We categorize an equation into 3 parts. We have an equality sign in the center. To its left is the left hand side, which is shown here, LHS. And to its right is the right hand side, shown here as RHS. The problem such kind of equation required us to solve the value of the variable. There are 2 ways in between to solve the equation. The first method is called inverse operation method, and the second method is transpose method. But these methods give us the same answer. But after we solve the equation using both the method, we will realize that the transpose method is preferred over the inverse operation method. How to solve linear equation in easy way? So some tips are given below. First tips is transposing plus 8 from left hand side to right hand side makes it minus 8. Transposing means shifting or transferring. Positive 8 we have to shift from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes minus 8. Let us understand. X plus 8 equal to 0. Now here 8 is plus with variable x. So one side is variable, another side we have to put constant. So x equal to minus 8. Second tips is transposing minus 8 from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes plus 8. Example, 3x minus 8 equal to 40. Now here minus 8 is given. So we have to put right hand side or shifting from another side. So answer is 3x equal to 40 plus 8. Third tips is transposing multiply by 8 from left hand side to right hand side makes it divide by 8. Let us understand. 8 multiply x equal to 44. Now here 8 is in multiply with variable, and we have to transferring from right hand side. It means x equal to 44 divided by 8. Next step says transposing divide by 8 from left hand side to right hand side makes it multiply by 8. Let us understand. x divided by 8 equal to 7. Now here 8 is in division order. So we can shift from right hand side in multiplication. X equal to 7 multiplied by 8. So these are the tips how to solve linear equation in easy way. Now let us understand some example. Solving linear equation with numbers on one side. It means variables only on one side. One example is given. 15 plus 4p equal to 9. So one side is variable, another side we have to put constant. So 4p equal to 9 minus 15. 15 is from left hand side, so we can shift from right hand side. Sign will be changed, positive to negative. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. It means 4p equal to minus 6. 15 is greater than 9, so we can put greater sign. So 4p equal to minus 6. Now 4 is multiplication with variable, so we can divide from right to right side, and therefore p equal to minus 6 by 4 or minus 6 divided by 4. Minus 6 and 4 are comes in table 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. It means our answer is minus 3 divided by 2. Now let us understand one more example or question. Solve the following equation. Now first question is 6 equal to z plus 2. What is the tips? We have to put variable on one side and constant to another side. It means we can shift 2 from left hand side. 6 minus 2 equal to z. Therefore, z equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore, z equal to 4. Next question is 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. Now here 3 by 7 are with variable. So, we have to put variable on one side and constant to another side. Therefore, x equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7, because 3 by 7 is in left hand side, positive sign is there. So, we can shift to right hand side, minus 3 by 7. 7 and 7 in denominator are same. So, x equal to 17 minus 3 divided by 7. 17 minus 3 is answer is 14 by 7. It means our answer is therefore x equal to 14 by 7. Third question is 1.6 equal to y divided by 1.5. Here again 1.5 is in division order, so we can take shifting from another side in multiplication. One variable, another side constant. Therefore 1.6 multiply 1.5 equal to y. Therefore y equal to 2.4. Let us understand another example. If 6x equal to 12. Now 6 is in multiplication with variable. So we can shifting to right hand side, division. X equal to 12 by 6. In table 6 12 will come. So answer is x equal to 2. Next question is 14y minus 8 equal to 13. Now what is the tips? One side is variable, another side we have to put constant. So 14y equal to 13 plus 8. 14y equal to 21. Now 14 is multiplication with variable y. So we have to one side variable, another side is constant. Therefore, y equal to 21 divided by 14. In table 7, 21 and 14 both will come. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. So, our answer is y equal to 3 by 2. Now, next problem sums we will solve in next video. Thank you.